Here's the Harbor Breeze Calera in the spring quarters at my vacation house. Yeah. I was. There's the light. Okay, turn it. Okay, yeah. This is actually a sunroom, but I still get why they put a outdoor fan in here. Although this might be an add-on. This might have just been a porch originally. And they screened it, windowed it, and made it into a sunroom. I don't know. Okay, well, medium. Wait, oh, you know what? It doesn't matter. You know what a light looks like on low. You know what a light looks like on any speed, actually. I'll show you the light on medium. The light's a bit loose. The light's loose on this fan. Yeah. I've already done this, but I didn't do much commentary, so yeah. Not a very fast fan, but it does put out some good air. It's a good fan. I like these old Caleras. I like it's pretty good. I need to get into a new routine. First light.